Hello YouTube, it's me here again, Morris from Morris Mini Motors. It's a bit different video. I'm all the way in India visiting the UMS factory. Just doing a little video from my hotel to the factory to show you the experience of getting there. Okay. Driving out the hotel complex now. The factory is less than 5 minutes walk away, but with the traffic, I'm not trusting myself to cross the road, so I have a driver to get me to do it the right way. There we go. There's a motorway. It should actually be a 2 to a 3 lane motorway. As you can see, driving works in India. I guess everybody's happy, so why to criticize? There's no rules of where you could actually overtake, left or right. Maybe there is, but no one sticks to it. As you can see, someone is cutting us up there, but that's part of the game. And we are off. Not too bad this morning actually, pretty good for Monday morning. And the factory is just around the little bend. A bit of tight security to get in. The gate men checking every vehicle that move in and out of the compound. And all this in front of us is owned by UMS factory. This is their headquarters. As you can see there. Perfect, and I arrived safely under 5 minutes, so stay tuned for more great videos to come. Alright, cheers.